Hey guys, and welcome back to another fall video. So this video is going to be super fun and cool because I am testing out some Pinterest fall treats. I did this a few years ago and the treats did not turn out very good at all. So let's see if they work out better this time. So let's get on into the video. So all of the pins will be in a description box. First, we're making these apple pie cookies, and I started by cutting up some apples. And I did Granny Smith and Red Delicious, and I put all the seasonings in, threw this on the stove, and let it cook up. This tasted awesome. Then I did the crust two different ways. So I was making this for somebody who has to eat dairy-free, so I made a dairy-free crust for them, and then I used the ready-to-bake crust for my husband and I, so we could have some. So this is the already made crust. This is the one I used. And then the dairy-free one I made with flour and coconut and a few other things. And it did not taste very good, but I had to make it dairy-free for the person I was making it for. And this is what it turned out to look like. That's what it looked like at the end, and that's what the cookies look like at the end that I made. Now, this is the process of how I made them. So I used the already made crust, and I cut them into circles. I did the same thing with the dairy-free, and then I added a bit of the filling, covered them, and threw them in the oven. And the dairy-free version turned out to be more like an apple pie crumble versus cookies, but the ready-made pie crust turned out amazing, and these were super delicious. Like little miniature apple pies. Like, they were awesome. Next is this pumpkin pie cake with cream cheese frosting, which is super similar. I feel like maybe I made this in a past video. I don't know, but it was super delicious. So I am just adding in all the wet ingredients and mixing it together, and then I'm going to throw it in the oven. And I did not make homemade cream cheese frosting, but you could totally do that. I just did the store-bought one because I was in a hurry and I was making this for a party. But I just love anything pumpkin, and this was just delicious. I love pumpkin cookies, pumpkin muffins, and now pumpkin cake. I just love it all. So the reason this video is filmed a little bit different than my normal videos is because my tripod kind of broke, and so I wasn't able to get it to work right, so that's why I'm doing like little shots or whatever. I put it in a Pyrex dish, threw it in the oven, baked it, and bam, it was done, and it was delicious. So this one definitely worked out too, and it was super yummy. Look how yummy that looks. And it was just yummy. So lately I've been on a healthier lifestyle change where I'm trying to eat more sugar-free, so I thought I'm going to try out some sugar-free pumpkin muffins. Remember, the pins will be down below. I don't want to take credit for any of these recipes. They are not mine. I did not create them. So I put all the ingredients in the bowl, and I used stevia as my sweetener alternative, and put them in the oven and had really high hopes for these, but these did not turn out good. Maybe it's because I used stevia. I don't know. Maybe if I used Swerve or something like that, it would taste better. But they were gross. So I do not recommend these at all. And it made me really sad because I wasted a can of pumpkin on them. But whatever. So do not try these unless you're crazy, because they do not taste good at all. And I was super sad. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that fall treat video, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye!